Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a complete different type of niche of lo-fi beats. And through this, you can actually make $3,000, $4,000, at least $3,000 a single month. And I'm showing you this exact example of how this one particular channel is doing the same thing. And I'm also going to show you how to take 10 minutes of your time and make the same exact beats using free programs and free samples. So the channel that I'm talking about is called Chill Peach, and Chill Peach right here is a channel in which this person right here, this girl, is posting these no copyright music, right? So no copyright music is part of lo-fi kind of thing, because a lot of people actually just post music and then they do not copyright it, so other people can actually go ahead and pick it up and start using. So these type of videos, they do tend to get a lot of views. As you can see right here, they're getting a ton of views, 20k, 22k, 33k views. And if you go down over here, let me just reload that a little bit. If you go down here in the trending section, we can see what type of videos are getting a decent amount of views. So as you can see, they're getting millions of views on one of their videos. As you can see, 200k views of this. This was posted 6 months ago, and 120k views. So that's a lot of money. I personally have a channel in lo-fi niche, and it's in the no copyright. Actually, it's in the no copyright niche. I talk about that in one of my previous videos, but this is the same channel, and it gets about 3 and a 4 it's got about 3 and a 4 CPM. So even if this channel right here is getting about $4 CPM and about $3.50 $2 RPM, that means this channel is making at least $3,000 to $4,000 every single month, as you can see. Because this channel is posting a lot of music, but it has kind of slowed down a little bit. You can actually go ahead and keep on posting and building an audience, right? So the super important part here is, guys, that you have to build an audience. Okay, a lot of people just start to start to post music, and then they get lazy. They do not want to work, and this actually doesn't work, guys. As you can see, this channel right here is getting millions of views, right? 1.2 million views, 10,000 millions of views every single month. They're getting this because they're actually continuously posting music for a long period of time. Let's just say for a year, and they post every single day. And not for a year, but I would say they post music every single week, at least every single week. And so what this will do is it will create a backlog of videos that you can actually rely on. So that's this what this channel is doing, is created a lot of these beats videos, and now it's getting a ton of views. As you can see, these type of videos, once one video get views, all the other videos are gonna start to get views automatically, because a lot of people are gonna be going through all your videos, right? All your videos, and giving you ad revenue, right? The best part about this is that you can actually earn ad revenue, and I'm gonna show you in just a moment how to make these exact beats. You can go on and listen to them right now. I'm not gonna play because it might get flagged as copyright. I don't know. I haven't used this channel's music, but it says no copyright, but I don't wanna take the chance here. So as you can see, you can play it yourself, and it's pretty simple music. It's not really anything complex. I'm going to show you exactly how to make that in like 15 minutes. It's just 15 minutes. It just doesn't take that long. Okay, and then you can actually just start posting videos like this and create a backlog of videos and get about 1 million views a month, right? 2 million views a month. Create a backlog of videos. That's what you can do. And so now I'm going to go ahead and show you a simple, easy way to start making these these beats by yourself. So let's get into it. All right, so you want to go to this website called looperman.com, and on Looperman we have a bunch of loops and samples. Okay, so loops and samples, they are free to use. You can use them however you like. They're not really going to be copyrighted. So you can actually go ahead and download these loops, compile them together, and make a complete song. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Right now I have loaded up the drum section. As you can see, if you play any one of these, right? If you play any one of these, there are drums playing, and you can actually select anything else. So all categories, go to all categories, and order by downloads. Okay, always order by downloads. Select the genre to be lo-fi. All right, find loops, and wait, it says error. Let me try that again. Okay, so we're having a little bit of error here. And so let me see. All right, so right here, as you can see, when you click on all categories, select the genre lo-fi and order by downloads and find the loops. And as you can see, you're going to be able to find some decent loops here. So let me go ahead and play any one of these. There's so many loops. As you can see, there's shallow vocals that you can use. Vocals work really, really well, but I don't recommend in no copyright. So let's just say this. Let's just hear this one. Again, so many different loops. Right? This one's pretty good. This one's really, really good, and I kind of like that. And so you can go ahead and download any of these loops right here. And once you download it, you want to go back to the category, and you want to go to get drums, right? Download drums as well. So we're gonna use lo-fi loops, and then we're gonna use lo-fi drum loops. So just download this drum, lo-fi drum, or any of the drums right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and right. Make sure you order by downloads, okay? Because when you order by downloads, you're gonna get a lot of these. You're gonna get some really, really good quality loops because a lot of people downloaded it. So obviously it's gonna be good because so many people if so many people download it, that means it has some kind of a decent quality that a lot of people actually like. Okay, if a lot of people are downloading it, at the end of the day, you're just making music for other people. You're not making music for yourself. Okay, so if other people are downloading so much of these loops, they have to have something that a lot of people actually find attractive, at least in music. When it comes to music and these type of things, you want to see what things are actually popular. So when you order by download, you go ahead and download any of these loops. Once you're done downloading, we're going to go ahead and go to our program called FL Studio, and let's get into it. All right, guys, so I put that all in FL Studio, and I downloaded these two loops right here. Again, it's just the same loop. I downloaded these two loops. This one I downloaded, and this one I downloaded. Okay, so when I play all this together, it actually sounds like a real lo-fi beat that I just made. I just put two loops together, right? And so the thing that you want to do, you want to go ahead and download FL Studio if you don't have. Trial version will do. I'm actually using trial version myself. It does let you export, so yeah, trial version is going to work. The next thing you want to do is you want to just put these loops on there, and then you want to go here in the time, and in the timing you want to select 8 bars. So right click on it and select. You can select 4 bar to 4 bar, but you want to go ahead and select 8 bars, right? So you want to drag it till this thing gets to around number 9, right? And the same thing you want to do with drums. You want to with the drums, I tend to kind of use that 4 bars thing, but I mean, these drums are kind of, I don't know, they're slow. So together, when I put this, it sounds like a real thing. And I used 100 BPM. Again, if you want to change this BPM, you can change this through here. And I'm not gonna go too details in this. This is not a music tutorial, guys. But I am gonna show you the most important things. So you want to go here in the mode section again, and you want to select resample, and make sure it's resample, and make sure the timing is correct. Otherwise, it's not going to sound really good. Okay. So timing can be decided using this. You want to change the timing a little bit, and that's it. That's all you got to do. And for this time stretching, you want to go ahead and select the timing a bit right here. Anything it needs to sound good. It needs to be in the division of 4 and 8. So for drums, I did 4. Again, 4 bars, right? For it's not even 4 bars, it's 2 bars. Okay. For drums, I did 2 bars, and for this thing, ukulele thing, I did 8 bars. Now, when I play this all together, it sounds like this. Again, you can just mix this whole thing. It's gonna take some time, but you can actually go ahead and mix it. If you don't know how to make all this thing, guys, I don't know why you haven't learned it, because it's super simple. But yeah, you can actually go ahead and mix this pretty easily. Or even if you don't mix, just lower the volume a little bit, and just lower the volume of the drums. And that's basically mixing 101 for you. So now, once we are done with that, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and select the visual styles and how we're going to make the visuals of our channel. Guys, before we move on, I quickly want to mention about my Spotify Success Blueprint. Using this, you can actually take your monthly listeners from 0 to 10K or 10K to 20K in less than 7 days. I show you my best techniques that I have that has made me more than 30 grand with streaming. I use these techniques to get thousands and thousands of streams, and I'm making more than 30 grand. And that's just basic free promotion. There's nothing ad revenue or stuff like that. There's no ads that I'm running. I show you the free 100% organic promotion, okay, using this 100% organic promotion. That is going to take your songs, even if you're making like lo-fi, if you're making singer-songwriter, it doesn't really matter what you're making. If you're putting music on Spotify, guys, you need to check this thing out. This is going to change the game for you. I'm telling you, this is a revolutionary thing that I can't show for free, but I will be able to link it down at the description of this video, guys. You can go ahead and check it out. All right, guys, so now you want to go ahead and go to a website called Canva, okay? So on Canva, we can actually go ahead and design the same exact art that this program right here is designing, right? This channel right here is making. So it's pretty simple. It's not really that complex. We can go ahead and create something similar to this. What we need to do is here, we need to create a design, custom size 1920 by 1080, right? And this has to be a video form, okay? So it doesn't really have to be the image, but it has to be a video. So the way we're going to be doing it, this is what we're going to go ahead and select the color. So color was kind of like similar. This would work pretty well. Again, in Canva, we have called Steep Hop, and it can be found when you go into the apps. You can go ahead and select it here. It has Bitmoji, character, bunch of different things, text to image that you can also use. In this example, I'm just going to go ahead and use the Steep Hop, as you can see right here. Okay, it's called Steep Hop, and just put in anything that looks decent. So this looks decent. I don't really know, but this looks pretty decent. Kind of reminds me of the same design that this thing has. right? That this channel is making. So this channel is making the same type of design right here, and we can pretty much just copy this thing. Okay, so that's it. That's your design right there. Okay, once you do that, you go ahead and export, and you're going to be able to finalize this. So that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, please hit the thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I'll be posting more and more videos, and just go ahead and share this with anyone who you think might be into this and who might need some help in getting lo-fi beats done. Go ahead and share, and I'll see you guys in the next video.